Have you ever wondered why Hieronymus Bosch's paintings are filled with such bizarre and symbolic imagery? Let's delve into one of his most fascinating works, The Ship of Fools, created around 1490. Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we explore The Ship of Fools by Hieronymus Bosch, a painting that encapsulates the chaos and folly of human nature. This oil-on-wood painting, now housed in the Louvre Museum, was originally part of a larger triptych. The other panels included an allegory of gluttony and lust and death and the miser. Bosch's The Ship of Fools is a satirical piece inspired by the 1494 publication of Sebastian Brandt's allegorical text, Das Narrenschiff, The Ship of Fools. The painting depicts a boat filled with a variety of characters engaged in frivolous and foolish activities, symbolizing the moral decay and lack of direction in society. This small vessel, adrift on the sea of life, is crowded with people indulging in gluttony, drunkenness, and music, with no one at the helm to guide them. In the center of the painting, a monk and a nun are prominently featured, highlighting Bosch's critique of the clergy's moral corruption. The nun plays a lute while the monk sings, both oblivious to their surroundings. This central scene emphasizes the theme of religious hypocrisy, a common motif in Bosch's work. The painting is rich in symbolic details. For instance, a figure at the stern steers the ship with a wooden ladle, illustrating the incompetence of those in charge. Another character climbs the mast to carve meat from a bird, a representation of gluttony and excess. The mast itself, adorned with foliage and a crescent moon flag, symbolizes lunacy derived from the Latin word luna, reflecting the madness of the ship's passengers. At the mast of the ship, an owl sits in the foliage, symbolizing bad luck and folly. The entire scene is a vivid portrayal of a society lost in its vices, drifting aimlessly without moral or spiritual guidance. Bosch's The Ship of Fools is not just a reflection of medieval societal critique, but also a timeless commentary on human nature's propensity towards folly and self-destruction. The painting invites viewers to reflect on their own lives and the direction they are heading. So, why did Bosch choose to depict such chaotic and symbolic imagery? By using satire and allegory, Bosch aimed to provoke thought and self-reflection in his audience, urging them to recognize and correct their moral and spiritual failings. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.